Can you please tell me your name, department, and how long you've been at the Goodway family?
Name is Matthew Wilden. I'm Director of Operations, so part of operations, and been here just over 4 months.
My name is Manuel, and my department is production. Over 2 years here.
My name is Melvin, and I work for shipping and receiving, and I've been working here for the last 4 months now.
My name is Sabrina Padron, and I have been part of the Goodway family since April 2021, and I work in sales.
I am Sebastian. I work for the shipping department, and I've been here 4 months.
Bo Kane, Sanitation Division, 4 months.
My name is Sarah Sedlock. I work in the marketing department, and I've been at Goodway for 1 month.
My name is Gus. I work for marketing department, and I've been with Goodway for 2 years.
My name is Matt. I am on the Steam team, and I started in December of 2020.
Describe in a few words what you do here at Goodway.
I work in sales for international markets.
I do stock. I stock like every shelf in here. I look for parts.
I generate leads for the sanitation team.
I sell steam products to food manufacturers throughout the Midwest.
To make sure that our production and supply chain is running efficiently.
Why did you choose to work here at Goodway?
Goodway is a unique brand, offers excellent products.
People is nice. I like the work in here.
Joining the Steam team was an incredible and unique opportunity.
How do you think Goodway has been able to sustain a 55-year legacy in the manufacturing industry?
Providing solutions to every customer.
Goodway sells a premium product with people who service the hell out of it.
Making quality products and services, and also providing world-class service.
Designs a lot of their strategies around being agile and serving the market.
Goodway really stays true to themselves and true to their history and their legacy while continuing to look forward.
Since your time here at Goodway, what has been the most exciting project that you've been working on?
Has been able to just visit all those different plants out there and really get a good understanding of the different problems and challenges that they have.
We're working with a customer to create a unique application using Steam.
What would you say is cool about manufacturing?
Well, by simply assembling parts, you can create something unique.
Manufacturers are these sculptors of people's ideas, and then they can continuously enhance those ideas.
In one word, tell me your favorite thing about Goodway.
Innovación.
Friendly.
Tranquilo.
Welcoming.
People and everything.
Inventors.